guys, it's Brianna and today I'm going to be testing out viral slimes. We have some clear glue and I've never tried this glue before, so today I'm going to be trying it. We have slushy beads, facial beads, glitters, foam beads, borax activator. So if you guys like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I didn't really say when the giveaway ends. It ends when I reach 100 subscribers. So let's get started. We're going to start off with the clear slime. So I have this pre-made slime, so I'm going to put these bust sequins in here and then mix it up. I don't know how many I'm gonna add in. I'm gonna add in a lot though.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna pour it out. Whoa. That looks cool. Okay. It's getting stuck. Wow, that was kind of it. Now this wasn't like a viral slime. I saw some sequins in Target and I really wanted to make a back to school slime. So I forgot to say this is also a combination of back to school slime. So yeah. The sequins kind of hurt though.
Put it back in the container. That was the first slime we are making today, and I think we have about 10 or 11. So the next one is called Peach Ring Gummy. Orange food coloring and then a borax mixture, but I kind of added a contact solution mixture, but that's okay. I'm just trying to use my pre-made slimes first so I can save a little bit of glue. I was following a recipe that was following a recipe.
Wow. Jeez, it's so thick. Oh my. And if this gets sticky, I'll add the borax mixture. Oh no, my hands. This looks beautiful. This really makes the cooking noise for some reason. But now I'm going to add the foam beads. It's supposed to be yellow foam beads, but I don't know why. I thought these were yellow, but they came out in like a dandelion. Well, this is like a really good one. I think I'll do some AMSR on the white table. Oh, this is so pretty.
Okay, so now I'm going to be testing out icy or slushy slime. So I have these beads, washable crazy art glue. Now I'm going to add in this borax. Color it this red color. I did about 3 or 4 drops.
I usually add water to my clear slimes, but there was already water in the borax, and I didn't follow recipe for this one. These seconds forever. Kind of. It's not getting bubbles. That's really cool. I kind of like this stringy feeling, which might be weird, but I do. And I'm really kind of happy because the color is not getting on my skin. Don't really like the color getting on my skin. I'll get to you when it's made.
I love this clear glue better than Elmer's because you see how clear it is. And add them in. I'm going to be making is fishbowl slime. And the last time I tried to make this, it was with Orbeez, unfortunately. So now I think I have the right beads. I thought these were fishbowl beads, but they're like these beads. So one day I'll find the exact right beads and do this video. So as usual, I'm just going to add in my glue. Now I'm going to add some blue food coloring. I'm going to add some blue glitter because I want it to be beautiful. Now I'm going to add in my fishbowl beads.
Wow, this is super cool too. I'm glad I can finally make kind of a fishbowl slime. Let me know if you like this beaded one better or the slushy or icy slime one better.
Okay, so now we are on to opaque slimes, like the white glue slimes. And I'm first going to be trying to make the animal cracker slime again because I didn't do it right, but now I have the foam bead, so now I'm going to make it again. And it was super light, so I'm just going to add that much. Every time I make foam slime, the beads fall out. So I'm going to try to make a milky slime and add some baby oil and see if that helps. I already have these foam pieces in here, so I'm just gonna pop them in. Can't believe it, but it actually worked. Didn't show you that I put the rainbow foam beads in because I didn't know if it was gonna work, but it did, and I went through 1 and 2 bottles of glue. I'm also gonna add in some vanilla scents because that's what they did. Now I'm going to be making cloud slime, and I'm so excited because I always want to make it, and it's like my favorite. I was saying that it was my favorite slime even though I haven't made it yet, so now I get to finally my glue. So now that I'm just adding no color, I'm going to add in my borax. And I think you're supposed to overactivate it on purpose because the instant snow powder might melt it down because there's water in it. So now my white slime is done, and I'll try to leave a link to where I got the instant snow powder because I got 10 packs for just $4. So I got my scissors and my water. Let's do this. I don't know how much water to add, so I got a whole thing of it.
Whoa, it's kind of cool. We can use more water. I don't want to make it slushy. You see it crystallize? Oh, it feels like wet sand, kind of. I'll try to mix it. Oh, it feels a little dry. So I'm going to add it all in. I think you need a, I didn't see how much that was. It looked like a lot. But I think it'll work. I see it. Oh my god, it's making clouds for me. Now, fast forward the mixing.
So I don't really like it because I feel like I did either something wrong or I just made it wrong. It just feels like the diapers one, and I don't like it like that. So now we're going to be making cloud cream slime. I already added in my glue because I bet you guys got tired of me seeing add glue. So now the tricky part is the color. She did like a vanilla cake batter color with a yellowish tint, yellow, orange, and brown. This brown is from my poop slime kit. So I'm gonna try to get the color she got. So after a lot of mixing, I think I got the perfect color for vanilla cake batter. Ugh. What have I done? Looks like mac and cheese almost. Oh my freaking glob. I think I want to add just a little bit of vanilla scent because this is a cake batter from instant snow powder. Don't need to activate it, so you just pour it straight in. I'm going to add a little bit of water because this isn't doing absolutely nothing. It looks like cloud slime, but it's super overactivated. Like I thought it was. Oh, now it's getting stretchier. This is better than the first one I made, but there is still like bits of clouds showing up. Now I'm going to add sprinkles.
Oh no, such a fail. Why are these always still everywhere? Now this looks cool. Totally added more sprinkles.
Hi guys, so it's the next day and I know my hair is different, but that's because I was tired of those braids, so I just let my hair be free. I'm going to be making some mermaid slime. I forgot to add cornstarch to my slime. So you just follow the recipe I gave you yesterday and you add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Here's my tablespoon. There we go. Ooh, it makes it feel so weird. She mixed green and blue to make this color, which I already have, so I'm not gonna mix the colors. Now I'm gonna add in my glitters. So I have all these glitters, and then I have this unicorn skin thingy, and then I have the most beautiful glitter packets I ever seen. I feel like it's better to add your glitter in while there's still glue, because if you don't, I sometimes feel like it won't stick in as well. Why is that chunky? I don't think she added in this much glitter, but it's fine with me. I'm also going to be adding in the rest of these because I really like these, and it's a fish. It's kind of like a fishy slime, so thought it went perfect with that. I'm going to put this to the side, and now I'm going to show you which one of these I'm going to pick. So I think I'm going to do these two, these three right here. This one, the blue sequins from here, this one, and this one. And then over here, I think I'm going to do this dark green, this one, that one, and this one. But I'm not going to use all of it because this is too beautiful to use it all today. Here it is, and if you were wondering, I got all these glitters at Five and Below, and also the Crazy Art glue. I think I'm going to add in some more glue because this is going to be a lot of glitter. Oopsie.